Today's topic is bullets and numbering. Here you see the stick mark. Those are called bullets. And this 1, 2, 3, you can see those ABCDs. Those are called numberings. Click this bullet icon and choose your list. Choose any one you need. Just click here, and you will be typing health, okay, running, word, money, just like that. And to get rid of this bullets, simply press enter and you are good to go. And to add the numberings, just like this, click this numbering icon and you can choose a number from here. Questions and answer. To add the numbers, click here, and let's suppose I want to place this on the center. Simply click the center alignment, outside, press enter. To come to this left, click this left alignment. Click this for numbering. Okay, let's see what is computer. Number 2, define input and output devices, and following. When you press the enter button, you get number 4. We'll simply be needing ABCD. This is your numbering, and this is we simply called sub numbers. To get the sub number, press tab on your keyboard and you get to go. Click this numbering button and choose ABCD as you need it. There you go. Like RAM, ROM, basic, WW. Like so, there you saw this. All of them are bullets. Those are bullets we added from here. You can simply change it to a different one if you need. See, the bullets are getting changed again, and those are numberings. You can simply change it if you need to change, or you want to bold this text, select it, B for bold. If you want to place it to the right, click here. This is your right align. This is left. This happens to be the center.